Are you feeling a little overwhelmed and lost thinking about renovating your small ensuite? Well, let me guide you through the process step by step, from choosing products, seeking out knowledge, and doing it all with confidence. Today we'll be designing a small ensuite, making the most out of limited space. If you have any questions from today's video, be sure to leave them in the comments below. As always, we start by taking measurements of the ensuite, making a note of clearance for any doors and where the plumbing is currently located to help with an easy layout. This is also the time we always suggest discussing any non-negotiables that you really want included. Definitely still do this at this step, but please be realistic with space. A double vanity or an 1800mm freestanding bath may just not be doable. When browsing Bathshack.com, be sure to take a look at some of our space-saving options. For example, our iron tall pivoting mirror is a fantastic use of space with lots of storage inside and a large mirror, and it's wall mounted too. A vertical radiator is also a fantastic way to heat your ensuite without taking up too much wall space. Or better yet, underfloor heating completely removes the need for a wall mounted radiator. Definitely something to consider. A quadrant shower can be a fantastic choice for a small ensuite. It fits into the ensuite corner perfectly, and the sliding doors means you don't need to worry about door clearance either. Our 3D bathroom planner can be a great tool for you to see what you can fit into your floor plan. Here, you can input the measurements you've already taken and place Bathshack products in situ to get a real idea of how your ensuite could look. A great opportunity to make sure everything will fit, especially in a small space like your ensuite. You've now done everything you can design-wise, but if you want to take it one step further, you can talk to a member of the Bathshack team. We currently have 8 showrooms, which is a brilliant opportunity to see products in person and really get a feel for them. And our amazing showroom teams can talk you through your design and quote and make some suggestions. However, if you can't make it into a showroom, you can utilise our telesales team. They can also provide top-notch knowledge. Bruna suggested adding an LED mirror such as our Trax 700x500 mirror, as it has great LED lights which are great task lighting when shaving or getting ready in the morning. And the demister pad means when you're running late, your mirror won't steam up after the shower. If you would still like a closer look at our products but don't have a showroom nearby, many of our products have a variety of photos on the Bathshack website, so you can get a real sense of what they will look like. As well as product videos available on the product page too, or on our YouTube channel here. It's always a great idea to take a look at our Instagram and our tag photos to see our Bathshack products in real customer bathrooms for even more inspiration. Once you're happy, take the plunge. Order in-store or online. And now we wait. Here at Bathshack, we deliver throughout the UK and Ireland. Once your items arrive, be sure to open everything and check your products against your invoice. Any issues, be sure to report them to us within 48 hours so we can help get them rectified. But you're now ready to install. All done. Your dreamy ensuite shower room is now a reality. Make sure to enjoy your brand new space. And now we also suggest taking some beautiful pictures and tagging us on Instagram to let us see your design in situ. Be sure to subscribe to Bathshack here on YouTube for more bathroom inspiration and advice, and shop luxury for less at Bathshack.com.